All these YouTube reviews, like, nobody is honest. Nobody is like telling you what it really is and what it really ain't. Hey, no, no, hey, hey, no. Hello everyone, I am back today or tonight with another video. I know it's been like,
it's been 84 years.
It's been a minute. I'm just like really working on a few things for myself. So that's why I haven't really been, I haven't been hitting the YouTube that, you know, haven't been on it. So yeah. If you're new to my channel, of course, like everyone's new to my channel because I'm new to my channel, like, you know, thank you guys for coming and watching this. I'm just not really in my element right now. I'm not really in my zone. So I'm gonna do this really quickly, as quick as possible.
I know you fucking lying, bitch.
Okay, so I just want to start off by saying FedEx. I'm really about to come for y'all. I'm about to come for y'all. You know all those memes where people are like how the delivery drivers are when they come to your door or whatever. Those are real life. Like, there's no way. Basically, my package came like 40 minutes earlier than it was supposed to come, and I'm not even tripping off that, because like honestly, if it would have actually like came 40 minutes earlier, that would have been great. That would have been perfect. I was home, you know, listening out, and I hear a doorbell ring, so I run downstairs. I'm like, oh yeah, my package is here. I'm going to go get my package, right? Wrong. It's my neighbor's friend. So I see a little sticker on my door talking about some, your package can be picked up at so and so and so and so on. I was like,
what the fuck is up? No, what did you say, dude? What the fuck, dude? Step the fuck up.
I've been here. Like, nobody came to knock on my door. Nobody came to ring my doorbell. What's really good? Yeah, really try me. And I was really tempted to talk to a manager there, but I just didn't have the Caucasian white woman come out of me at that point in time. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just mind my business and I'm gonna keep it moving. And this is not even the first time that happened, you know, the first time.
2 hours later.
But that's not what this video is about. This video is about a wig, okay? A whole wig that I bought with my own money. Like, guys, like, I have not really that many views. Y'all know it's not sponsored, so. And this is the first time that I bought anything from this company. This is my first wig, but yeah, guys, yeah.
Yes.
I'm sorry, like, excuse me, because
I've been wanting a wig for so long, since like my senior year of high school. I am now a sophomore in college, and like I'm finally getting my wig, and like,
guys, like, I'm so freaking excited. So yeah, I bought 22 inches, like, ooh, 22 inches, like, I thought 22 inches was popping, but it's really not that popping, because this is really not no better than 20 inches, but like, we gonna get into that. I don't really know nothing about wigs, so, you know, I'm just gonna give you guys everything that I can give you, okay? Okay. So basically, I ordered this hair. Not this hair, I ordered this piece. I ordered this unit, I ordered this wig. But no, I ordered this wig on Monday. It came, what is today? Today's Thursday. It came Thursday. It said, like, when I ordered it, it said that it was coming Thursday. So like, expect it on Thursday. I'm like hoping and praying that it's gonna come sooner, but no, it didn't. It came on Thursday. this is what the box looks like as soon as you open it. For me, I've seen different people, they didn't get everything that I got, or they got more, or whatever. So what came in this box is the same color recap. It comes with two in the box, or bag, whatever. It comes with a pouch, it comes with a cheap comb, it comes with some bobby pins, or no. And it comes with like the elastic band. It comes with the elastic band. I don't think I'm gonna use it again, so yeah. A hair wax stick. Don't know what that's for. Comes with these. My lip hand is good for nothing. It comes with these little clips. And lastly, it comes with some tweezers. On the website, it says if you spend $199 or more, you get one of these little flat iron curler pieces. This is cool. It doesn't really have a temperature setting, so I wouldn't really use it on my natural hair, but it might be okay for the wigs. I'm gonna like test it and see. It's a flat iron. That's the most that it opens, so I definitely won't be using this on my thick hair. And then it's also a curling wand or a curling iron, so you can lift that and then like curl your hair or whatever with it. I thought that was really nice of them to include that, because I didn't spend $199. I spent $187 and maybe like 89 cents, but that was with the discount, so maybe they just like gave it to me, because without the discount it would have been like $200 and something. They give you this bag with the hair in it, cute little purple bag. So this is Brazilian body wave. Oh, okay, so they gave me an elastic band already included on the wig, so that's cool. I am not I have no experience with wigs like at all. So this is inside of it, like underneath this lace, and I don't get that. Looking at it, it doesn't seem like 22 inches at all. Okay, so 22 inches is right here, and it's actually longer than 22 inches, so I'm okay with that. It's pretty decent. I will say that it's not as soft as I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna try and put this on my head. Yo, wig caps is ugly. Like, it comes with this strap, it comes with these adjustable straps, and it comes with combs. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh, this is good. It makes it fit snug to your head. That's good. That's really good. Okay, so I'm showing you guys the pre-pluckedness, I guess you can call it. It definitely needs to be plucked more. The hair doesn't stink. I know that's something that people always talk about in their videos. I don't know what stink y'all be talking about, corn chips. Like, that's very unfortunate, but this hair, it smells good. It smells like they used like some type of product in it to maybe like put the curls in it. But yeah, this hair is really cute. Not even gonna hold y'all. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. This hair is fire. I actually bang with this hair a lot. Actually, now that I got it on my head, cause like. They didn't give me an option to like choose what color the lace was gonna be, but this lace is gonna work just fine for me. I was really afraid. I was so afraid because like all these YouTube reviews, like nobody is honest. Nobody is like telling you what it really is and what it really ain't. And I was sick of that. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just have to like go out on a whim and buy this hair. I feel so stupid with this on. But honestly, this hair, it's like everything that the reviews were saying. It could be a little softer. Like, I feel like the ends are going to dry out, but I'll probably just like make sure I put some conditioner on them, you know. They're doing good, they're doing good. But when people do their little reviews, they put the hair like this, right? Making you think it's so full, right? It's so full. Like, this is what I thought I was gonna get, plus some in the back. But no, it's empty in the back. It's just an illusion.
I look like I'm in a beauty pageant, like, every day.
Alright, so I'm gonna take this off. Whew, so I can. What I didn't know when I was ordering wigs is that the density does not refer to the ends. It refers to the scalp, like the lace on the wig. And I'm like, why on earth, like, would anybody want like more hair on the top than on the bottom? I don't know. Maybe I'm just like slow. I don't know.
Well, obviously.
Whenever I buy something like major, like this is major to me. So whenever I buy something major, I spend days upon days researching it. I watch YouTube videos, I watch Instagram videos. Like, I go to their Instagram page and I go to their tagged pictures and I look at all the pictures that people tag of them wearing their hair, wearing their wigs. And I go to their page, I look at the pictures that the customers posted on reviews. I don't really read through the reviews because I'm mostly just looking to see what the hair looks like. If you guys are thinking about buying hair from this company, I really think just keep doing your research, because like, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you to get it, and I'm not gonna sit here and tell you not to get it. The hair, it is not perfect, but it is good for the price, I guess. It's good for the amount that they're charging for it. I got mine for their little spring sale around Easter. I got 23% off. I was like,
you know what? If anything goes wrong, I'm just gonna send it back. That's not my problem no more.
but I like it. So yeah guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this hair, go ahead, feel free, comment me. I said comment me. Message me, comment, whatever you gotta do. I'll get back to you. I am not about to be like these other little bougie YouTubers out here ignoring y'all. I will answer all of your questions, because I know that people be getting fed up. Like, where's the update video? Where's the updated video? Da, 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 da. I got y'all. I got y'all. I got y'all. I promise 100% I got y'all.
Okay? We all have gifts. You cannot throw away some.
But alright guys. Go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment anything that you need to comment. Nothing rude, because like, no, like, period, you know. And subscribe, you know. I will appreciate each and every single one of you guys. So thank you, and I will see you guys next video. All right, peace out.